Hello everyone, today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger failed opening, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Messenger and you click here. After that you can click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage and you will go to this window here. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.